United States, 1960s-1970s. Post-World War II boom continued with strong economic growth driven by industrial expansion and consumer spending. 1980s. Despite facing recessions, the USA saw significant growth driven by technological advancements and the financial sector. 1990s-2000s. The digital revolution and the rise of the technology sector bolstered GDP growth. 2010s. Recovery from the 2008 financial crisis and continued technological innovation maintained growth. China, 1960s-1970s. A period of slow growth under strict communist policies. 1980s. Economic reforms initiated by Deng Xiaoping started transforming China's economy towards a market-oriented one. 1990s. Rapid industrialization and opening up to foreign investments led to significant GDP growth. 2000s-2010s. China became the world's factory with massive export growth and infrastructure development. 2020. Continued growth despite global economic challenges, though at a slower rate as the economy matures.
Comparison. Check the animation.